Hello there friends, this is Mia, and in today's video we will be staying at the newest hotel in Clark, Swissotel. So the parking is free, but it gets full on the weekends. They have a casino on the ground floor, which is probably why they have X-ray machines for the bags before entering the premises. This area, which they call the atrium, is very nice and it's Instagrammable. The inspiration is probably a tropical rainforest. They have light wells in the ceiling which let in beautiful natural lighting, but they still supplement it with indirect lighting. It's a very cozy and chill place to hang. They have a bar and a cafe that serves the area. It took us approximately 45 minutes from the time we queued until we got our room keys. This is their restaurant, and we were told that their breakfast buffet was really good. The elevators are separated into two zones, a high zone and a low zone. This is where you can put your bags or your luggage and shoes. Here's more storage where you can also find the safe as well as a hair dryer, some drawers, and there's another closet where you can hang your clothes. The room also came with an ironing board. You can say that it was pretty well appointed. And the bathroom is a good size. The water pressure and both the rain shower and the telephone shower, they were both good. And adjusting the temperature was quite easy. The room was also equipped with a bar that had an espresso machine, and for every night of stay you are given 4 Nespresso capsules. In case you don't want to have your room cleaned, you can still ask them to replenish your capsules or the tea bags or the sugar, anything you wish to be replenished. Oh, and we appreciate that they give you bottles of water every day. The artwork above the bed is probably inspired by the mountains you can see from within Clark. And this table right here, you can use it either for dining or for working. The room where we stayed is a superior room with 2 double beds, and average rate during weekends is 10,000 pesos a night, and on weekdays I've seen it go for as low as 5,000 pesos per night. The view from our room was the swimming pool area on the 5th floor. See those light wells? They're the same light wells you can see from the atrium. The swimming pool was packed with people on the afternoons of Friday and Saturday. Those are solar panels. So nice to see people actually using them. especially that the sun is so strong in this area. On both nightstands, there are controls for the curtain, the AC temperature, and the light. The control panel also has 2 USB ports for charging. The blackout curtains are really very useful because it can get so bright outside. There's also a control for the blinds in the bathroom. You can adjust it to your liking. Hello! And this glass definitely needs cleaning. This is very useful, especially for parents with smaller children. That's the rain shower and the telephone shower. And the well-lit vanity mirror. And you can connect your phone to the TV via Wi-Fi to stream shows for your little ones or for yourself. Now let's go out and explore. That's a view of the golf course and Midori. This view is from the elevator lobby. And this is the 5th floor where you can find the infinity pool. This is a nice spot for a photo, right? I'm not sure if it's clear, but there's like a platform inside the pool. So if you have smaller children, they can stay there while you swim. Just make sure that they don't go jumping into the deeper part. Those are cyclists. Here are a few beautiful angles for photographs. And this, I'm not sure what to call this pool, but it's very, very shallow. I don't think it's even a foot deep. And those are the light wells and the cabanas. The clips showing the pool area were all taken at around 7 a.m. The area gets pretty packed at around 8 a.m. onwards. A note to parents: kids can use their own life vest, but they're not allowed to use the ground salvavidas or floats.